Hey, good afternoon. This is Robert from the Too Many Toys channel. I got another product to try today. This is a window shade made for RVs. If you have a Class A, Class C travel trailer or fifth wheel, you probably have the same sort of window on your entry door that I have. Most of the windows in the RV came with some sort of blinds or shutters, but for whatever reason, manufacturers don't seem to concern themselves with the entry door. There's a lot of heat that comes in through that glass, and I'm hoping that this not only will block the light for privacy at night, but will also help keep some of the heat out. Let's take a look at the product. So it has Velcro strips that you attach onto the door, and there's corresponding strips on the window cover itself. You can see there's the loop side and there's the hook side. There are magnets in here, so once you apply it to the window, as you pull down a section, it'll actually lock onto itself and won't continue to fall down. So you can adjust the amount of light coming in or the amount of privacy that you wish. Because the window is very high in our RV, and our RV sits very high itself, people on the ground looking into our camper will be looking up at an angle. So if I only fold down the first or second section, they'll only be able to see me maybe from the chest up. Let's go get this installed. The Velcro strips come pre-cut, so there's two long ones and two short ones. I've already test fit this on the door to make sure that it's going to fit on the frame like I expect it to. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and attach a piece of Velcro on all of the corresponding pieces, and then I will carefully start applying it to the door. Okay, with only one piece of Velcro with a backing removed, I can now just attach the top, adjust it to where I need it, and then I'll peel off the rest of the backing material. I have the sunshade folded down about halfway at the moment. This will provide some privacy. At night we would go ahead and fold it the rest of the way up, but even at the halfway mark, this camper is so tall, if somebody were to look in, they'd only be able to see from about my shoulders up. This is a thermal camera, and what you're looking at is the heat coming in from the upper half of the window that is not covered by the shade. And you can see that it is quite a bit hotter. Now the inside of this would be a lot cooler than it is right now, but I have the air conditioner turned off in the camper strictly due to the amount of noise it creates when I'm trying to make a video. So there you have it, simple installation. Not only does it provide a complete blackout and privacy, but it also provides some insulation to try and keep the heat out in these scorching hot summers. Very nice product. Thanks for watching.